This video is for educational purposes only and is not intended to replace professional medical advice, diagnosis, or treatment. Everyone seems to have an opinion about the healthiest breakfast. Some swear by oatmeal because it's good for your heart. Others have switched to quinoa, convinced it's the healthier choice. But what if the real answer isn't what most people think? Welcome back to the Mindhunters. Today we're comparing oatmeal and quinoa using the latest nutrition science to find out which one truly deserves a place on your breakfast table. Let's start with the question almost everyone wants answered. Which breakfast keeps you full longer? Most people assume quinoa wins because it contains more protein, and it's true. A cup of cooked quinoa has about 8 grams of protein, compared to roughly 6 grams in cooked oatmeal. But protein isn't the whole story. Oats contain a unique soluble fiber called beta-glucan. It absorbs water and forms a gel in your digestive system, slowing digestion and helping you stay satisfied for longer. That's why oatmeal has been consistently linked with better appetite control in clinical studies. If staying full until lunch is your goal, oatmeal has the edge. Now let's talk about heart health. This is where oatmeal really stands out. Beta-glucan doesn't just help with fullness. Decades of research show it can help lower LDL, or bad cholesterol, when eaten regularly as part of a healthy diet. Quinoa is certainly heart-friendly. It provides fiber, magnesium, and antioxidants that support cardiovascular health. But when it comes to lowering cholesterol, the evidence for oatmeal is much stronger. Now, what about protein? Here's where quinoa shines. Unlike oats, quinoa is a complete protein, meaning it contains all 9 essential amino acids your body needs. Does that make oatmeal a poor protein source? Not at all. If you regularly eat eggs, fish, beans, or other protein-rich foods, you're already getting those amino acids elsewhere. But if you follow a mostly plant-based diet, quinoa gives you an important nutritional advantage. Now here's the comparison that surprises most people. Which is better for blood sugar? Many people assume quinoa automatically causes smaller blood sugar spikes, and that's not necessarily true. The biggest factor isn't whether you choose oatmeal or quinoa. It's how you prepare them. A bowl of sugary instant oatmeal can raise blood sugar much faster than plain or steel-cut oats. The same applies to quinoa. Pair it with protein, healthy fats, and fiber-rich toppings, and it can also become a blood sugar-friendly breakfast. So instead of asking which grain is better, ask what you're adding to it. That often makes the bigger difference. Finally, which one gives you more nutrition overall? Both are excellent choices. Oatmeal provides manganese, magnesium, phosphorus, and unique antioxidants called avenanthramides that are found almost exclusively in oats. Quinoa offers more magnesium, iron, zinc, and a slightly broader range of antioxidants. They're not better or worse. They're simply rich in different nutrients. And that's exactly why this comparison is more interesting than it first appears. So, before we discuss which breakfast you should actually choose, tell us in the comments. What's your favorite healthy breakfast, and how do you prepare it? Your recipe might inspire someone else. Now, if your biggest goal is lowering cholesterol or supporting long-term heart health, oatmeal is difficult to beat. If you're trying to increase plant protein or want a wider range of minerals, quinoa deserves a place on your plate. But from a nutrition standpoint, rotating both throughout the week is likely the smartest strategy. Now here's how to eat them. For oatmeal, choose plain rolled oats or steel-cut oats whenever possible. A serving of about half a cup of dry oats is appropriate for most adults. Top it with berries, walnuts, ground flax seeds, chia seeds, cinnamon, or plain Greek yogurt, instead of sugary flavored packets. For quinoa, rinse it well before cooking to remove its naturally bitter coating, then cook it according to the package directions. About half to 3/4 of a cup of cooked quinoa makes an excellent breakfast, especially when paired with fruit, nuts, seeds, and milk. So the healthiest breakfast isn't the one that's trending on social media. It's the one backed by good science and simple enough to add to your everyday routine. And when it comes to oatmeal versus quinoa, science suggests there's room for both. If you enjoy evidence-based nutrition without the hype, subscribe to the Mindhunters for more science-backed health videos. Thanks for watching. We will see you in the next episode.